All right, we got Vampire from Hobbyking V1, 4S 2250 pulse battery, 3D printed wing tanks. Look at those. I think they look good. Put the yellow ones on because the V3, the one they just released, has the yellow stripes, so you guys will know what it looks like on the V3. If you want some, contact me. I can print some up for you. Cheap. All right, so on the head, kind of windy. I don't know if you can see, there's a guy in a motorcycle bombing around the field over there. I don't know what he's doing. Kind of cold for that. See if he'll get up. He got up last time. Dunk. I don't think it's going up this time. Might have to hand launch it, I think. I don't know. Put the gear down. I'll give it a hand toss and see what happens. Excuse me. That was rude. Well, maybe I should walk out to the road and take off on the road. Yeah, we're going to do that. We're going to walk out to the road. I'm going to pause you. Okay, we're on the road now. No traffic. It's Sunday. Sundays are a good day to fly off the road. First road takeoff on this. Wing tanks stand up nice. The gear up. I haven't flown off the road in a while. They do slow it down a lot, but I can see them good. They look good. Nice loop. Nice roll. And come down the road. Ah, it looks cool with the wing tanks. I think so. I think I'm gonna walk out in the field and land it out there though. I don't trust poles anymore. So we're gonna walk out into the field as I fly. Hopefully I don't step any holes, because that would just totally suck. You know, I'm walking through water. Looks good though, in the soft mud. You see that afterburner working? Conserve some battery. We'll coast a bit. Glide. She looks awesome. And some down trim again. That was a bit too much, I think, but I'd rather pull back on the stick than be pushing forward on it. Now that looks sweet. I like the wing tanks. It's Hobbyking Day. I had the mini Sonic out. Whoa, I stalled it. That was close. Lost orientation and stalled at the same time. That's never good. He's got a little too slow in the turn there, and she dropped the wing and started to do a spiral. Nice glide on it. I got throttles just barely on. Glide by. Those tanks look awesome though. Like I said, I'm 3D printing them. If anybody wants them for their vampire, we can work something out. Right now, mailing it's pretty much not a thing. There we go. Oh, canopy popped off. That's good landing. Alright, he's gonna have to walk far for the canopy. But look at this. Look at my runway. Little heathens. Look, it's just ripped to crap. That's insane. Now, why would they do that? I don't know. Hey, let's have fun. Go in the long grass and do that crap. I spent a lot of time doing this runway and they just rip it up. Alright, well, there we go. This thing, I gotta learn how to land it. Because it just wants to keep going. See a 2200, 2250 pulse in there. Yeah, it's pretty hollow in there. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Ciao for now.